Hello, I got your email about this problem here. I guess this is number, let's see, 21. And so you're given an equation here involving log, and you're given a number here. I guess I've got part of the directions covered up, but this is a formula, models, salinity, I guess the salt in ocean waters up to 1,000 meters of latitude, and if you're 16 meters down, what's the salinity or salt, and how much salt do you have? So you take that 16 there and you put it in for x, and it's a calculator exercise. You got a formula, put the number. So I just put it in here. You type in 33.7 plus 1.3 times the log, and it'll be 16 plus 1. That part didn't come through here. Show so much, which would be 17. You put it in there and you get that number there. I guess that's part A. Hope this helps.